Hello everyone. I hope you all are fit and safe at home. Today I will share with you 3 simple games which you can make at home using papers. So let's get started. In the first game, you will need a square white paper on which you have to draw some patterns as shown. Then color it. I am using oil pastel. I will drop a link from where I have bought the color. Now cut the pattern. I have some already drawn images with me and I will form the same image using the patterns which I have cut. In this way, you can also cut different patterns and assemble them to form an image. The second game is block sudoku. You must have heard this name. It is a very famous video game. I have created this using paper. For this, I have drawn 1 centimeter squares on white paper and cut them. Also, I have blocks of 1 centimeters with different shapes which are colorful. Now let us see who will win. Yippee! I won! Third game is a puzzle game. As today is 26th June and we are all celebrating International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking, so I thought to use this theme for my third game. For that I have cut two 15 centimeters of squares out of a cardboard. One cardboard will serve as a base, and from the second cardboard I have left space of 1 centimeter to form a frame. Now from the leftover cardboard from which I have created the frame, I have stick a picture on one side and on the other side there are squares drawn. Now with the help of cutter I will cut the squares. So you can see a frame is ready. Now it's time to assemble the squares and solve the puzzle. Enjoy it.